How to grow microgreens in containers at home. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to grow microgreens. Microgreens are small vegetables that you can grow, and within a couple of weeks, maybe 10 days to 2 weeks, you're able to harvest it and be able to have this fresh organic vegetables. So I'll show you how to grow that right now. Today I'm gonna show you how you can plant microgreens like this. I'm gonna use this seed tray to plant it and then harvest it on it. You can also plant them in containers or bigger pots and stuff like that. So right now I'm just gonna plant them in here, and hopefully within 10 to 14 or 15 days we should be able to get some results and start harvesting some of these microgreens. So what I did was just fill up this container with my potting mix. I make my own potting mix. I have a video that shows you how you can make your own potting mix for pennies. I'll see if I can put the link with that in the description below. So what I'm gonna do is just plant the seeds now in this container and then water it. So the you can plant them like very lightly on top. 1/8 inch you can plant them, and it takes about 10 days for you to be able to harvest it, and it takes about 2 or 3 days for it to germinate. So let's see. These are the seeds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna plant too many in this, since this is my first time planting this particular spicy mix variety. I'm gonna make sure that we have it grows enough and covers enough space, so that way we don't have too much. If we have too much with what I'm gonna plant, I'm gonna move it to another container. So what I'm gonna do is just drop it in here. I'll say drop about 4 or 5 in each cell, even more, that's fine. We can thin them out and then let it just so about 7 or 8 of them are going into each cell. Like I said, we're gonna thin them out. If all of them come out well, and then I can transplant the rest to another container. I think that's it. I think we have enough. The rest I can put it back in here. So like I said, this is my first time planting this particular variety of microgreens, and hopefully it says it's a container variety, so hopefully it's gonna be able to give us some good results. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put a slight thin layer of mix on top of this, so that way it just covers the seeds, because I don't want to be pressing each on every one of them. I'm just gonna put a slight thin layer of potting mix or seed starting mix, like less than 1 inch on top. So that's what I'm gonna do, just spread it on top. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just use your finger to just tap them down like this, and it should be fine. Should be able to grow like that. So but what I'm gonna do is just put a fine layer of my mixture on this, like that. Just say that covers the seeds and should allow the seeds to maintain some moisture and germinate in time. Okay, that's it, and I'm just gonna water it now. Since I'm gonna just water it, I'm just gonna use a misting. I'm just gonna microgreens. Here is a microgreen after 3 days, as you can see, germinating. These are the microgreens. Okay, this is the microgreens after 2 weeks. I was supposed to harvest it within about 10 days or so, but I got busy, wasn't able to harvest it. So this is it after 2 weeks plus. So we're gonna harvest it now. As you can see, they all came out, they're doing great. So we're gonna harvest it, and we're gonna let it continue to grow in this seed starting tray right here. So let's get some fresh organic vegetables right now. So you can harvest it by hand by picking it off like this, picking off the leaf like these. Or you can use a nifty scissors or shear or any garden scissors that you have. So I'm just gonna do that, just like that, right there. So we're just gonna harvest the leaves. If you like the video, please smash the like button. It's gonna help the channel grow, and it's gonna help other people see the content that you're watching right now. So please smash the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thank you. So let me know in the comments below if you've grown microgreens like these, and what particular kind of microgreens you've grown. So let me know in the comments below if you intend to grow it later on after watching this video. Okay, that is it. So we have our microgreens now. So we're just gonna put this aside and continue watering it. So we're gonna continue watering it, and hopefully within a week we should be able to harvest more microgreens. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I know you're interested in videos like this, and it also helps the channel out. Subscribe to the channel, and like the videos, and also share with anybody that you think might be interested in the videos. Thank you for watching. Happy growing, everybody.